How are you this morning?
Um, Thank you so much for being here. First of all, thank you for inviting me. And
Oh, you're welcome,
shall
Raksha.
we start?
Yes, share your screen. Okay.
Okay.
I'm curious, what do you have on your radar? Last time you made a couple of nice calls. I think the low and the dollar, and then gold was at a previous peak. While it's been just moving sideways. You said it was good or bad from here, and it was bad.
Mm.
So okay, starting with the Dixie.
Yes, I am actually starting with US dollar first of all because if you remember when we met last time, I said that from this major resistance is going to go till 95, and it has rejected this price. Now, what is going on in DXY is it's making a somewhat of a rounding bottom. Let me just hide this for you so it will be much clearer for everyone to see.
Okay.
Okay, so it's making some kind of a round bottom here, and can you see the
The
so
dots,
many?
the boomies.
Yes, no, the dots are just to mark where prices might be heading now. The
Okay.
boomy was the background, that the lines there, vertical lines which you were seeing before. So this is so much of high pivot points, high prices of earlier years like 2018 high, 91, 94, 93, all these points are converging here. So this is making a very tight range to break, because these are acting as very strong resistance and support since 11th of June. So
Yeah.
it's still in that phase. So until and unless it's not breaking any of these lines, I not at all in any kind of what do you say, determining the trend which way it might be going. But as there seems like a somewhat of a rounding, a W shape is forming. So if it is rejecting here at this point, that is 96.35 or 96.40, it's rejecting and just going back, then I feel that it's going to go back again and bounce till 98, and then might be testing 2019 high again, like 99 again. So right
Okay.
now I'm just between these lines. I'm in very short term. I'm expecting it to go till 96.4, or maybe just testing. If it breaks this, then maybe just testing this trend line again of
Okay.
96. So right now I'm just looking for this one. It might be it
So
might
you're
be
favoring looking to buy it at different levels rather than shorting it here.
Yes, I'm not shorting, because right now at present it is making 1993 high, the price of 96.85. That is, it's a
Yeah.
very strong support here, as you can see in my cursor.
Yeah.
This has become a very strong support. Plus this range of support here, this is from the monthly chart. So there's a range of support here, which is actually not letting this price go down back again, because
Okay.
already has been bounced from 95 price, is 95.85 here. So
Yeah.
right now this is acting as a very strong support for DXY to just go back again down, not
Now
more than 96.
this is a great chart for it to be a teaching tool for people that are going to see it later or listening now. Raksha, is that your gray shaded area is a support zone, and that I saw a tweet you did, I retweeted it, is that people have kind of a rigid beliefs on one number being a pivot, but I've heard it described by very good traders that you have to have some give in your support and resistance areas and not be so rigid about it being a specific price. Why don't you tell us how you discovered that?
What happens is, many a times what happens when people, many of our clients also comes and that I hit an SL because I put a point near this pivot or that particular high or low, weekly high and weekly low, but my SL got hit. And I always tell them one thing: see, there's something called noise in the market. As you can see, the VIX here, this 2018 high that has been rejected thrice here, but it has given so much of long wicks, because I'm looking a 4 hour chart. So for a 4 hour chart, it's a very big noise here, right? So what happens is, rather than going for just the price of 97.71, we should give a chance of this amount of area to adjust your SL. Just put your SL few points above that, not exactly to the rigid point, because what happens is uh, these pivot points, what happens with these pivot points are why people sell and buy, because of the historical things which
Yeah.
has been going on that particular price. It's
Right.
not necessary that the same kind of greed or same kind of fear must be there with the same degree. So we should have some little space for the price to just test that area. Few people might be having it few points above, few people might be having it few points below that particular point. So let give them a breathing space here for any support or resistance. That's what I always try to tell them. And
Yes.
like here also in 1993, although it has been rejected so many times, but still it has given a little bit of space downside. This gray area is a monthly space. So if I'm talking on a long term period, then if you are going on long on DXY, then your SL or your the area which you think that it's a no trade zone right now between this level. So you should
Yes.
be very careful between this range, that no, we're not going to do anything until and unless this range is broken. So
Right.
that's the importance of range in support and resistance rather than just strict price, because not everyone thinks that okay, I'll short at 95. Some might be thinking I'll short at 95.40. Some might be thinking I'm 95, 93. So this should be a space of a price to actually react and let the people react where and make it a proper trend or a reversal or a breakout at that particular point.
Yeah. So think in terms of areas rather than
Yes,
price. Okay.
exactly.
That's a great lesson. Okay. Um, what else you seeing
Next,
here?
I was having, I'll just show you SPX because I've been following SPX since a long time.
Yeah.
Uh, Earlier, what I had was this was my resistance for SPX because it has been rejecting, see, once, twice, thrice, four times. It has been rejecting that.
Yeah.
Now it has broken this. Not only it has broken it, it's rallying right now. So for me, what I think in SPX, this area, if you see,
You fill the
this
gap.
area is, yes, the gap. This area will be the resistance point for SPX right now. And this area comes at 3180 to
90.
3189. Yes,
Okay.
3190, around
Didn't we
that. This
almost?
area.
Okay. Where did
Yeah.
we get to yesterday? And today we're
Uh,
down. I think we got to 3186. I thought on yesterday. Okay. You just have
okay.
the cash. It's the cash that shows the gaps
Yes,
and
yes,
everything.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay, I
yes.
got it. All right.
So this is, see, if I come down to 1 hour, this is acting again as a resistance because this price, these things happen. Again, this has proven that the range of a support or range of a resistance is important for price to react at least. So now what SPX, I believe what XPX might be doing is testing this resistance support again of 3160 to 3148, and
Yep.
then might be testing go back, and ultimately I feel that it's going to go till like 3200 and might be testing June high again. That's 3233, but not in very near future because of looking at the market and looking at the global scenario right now, because of the coronavirus, and because people are so much of in a confusion right now, not even in panic but in a confusion of what to do next. So
Yeah.
I feel a little bit of downside movement might be possible back again if this support is broken. Then we can see back to 3,100 around
Oh,
that price.
that's a big number.
SPX,
Yeah. Okay.
big one, yeah.
Nice look.
So that was that I was having a tap on of SPX, and then I was checking US dollar again. Sorry, US oil again. My favorite one. Right now, it's going in on a channel here. If you can see here, it's going on a channel here. It's been ejecting here. And one thing which I always use not to trade but to see where market might be going is the RSI divergence. So when I was checking with that, there was a little bit of divergence visible here, a very little bit of divergence, not like too much, but that is showing. that there might be some downside movement again for crude oil um, till 39, not more than that, but at least till 39 right now. So that's what I'm
Okay.
and these yellow boxes which you are seeing, it's on a weekly basis. So that's why you're visible, because I'm doing the intraday thing right now, not holding long positions in crude oil since that great fall. I'm not. I'm just doing the scalping things and all. So that's why these are the shorter term levels for me, the support and resistance levels for me. So
Okay.
if I say for a longer term period, I see a little bit of downside movement back again, at least till 39 to 39.50 in US oil right now. And if this is broken abruptly, just like it has been rejecting right now, it has been broken abruptly, then the last week's high of 40 and then back to 41 might be the prices which are going. So right now it's a no trade, waiting for a breakout either at the upward side or a downward side in US oil
A
right now.
lot of neutral stuff going on today, right?
Yes, a lot
A
of
lot of
I'm just
indecision
waiting.
patterns is kind of the read I'm getting from your work.
Yes, I'm just.
A time. So when you have all these indecision patterns, and we want to trade, and
Mhm.
you really don't have anything that's that compelling where things are right now. Tell us how your thought process and how you wait.
The first and foremost thing which helps me to pass my time is my daughter. She's like
Oh, that's right.
24/7 service for me.
You're a new
So
mommy. Yeah.
yeah, so I'm still evolving in that.
Yeah. Okay.
But
It's a great way to. Yeah.
when I don't have anything to do in concepts of taking a trade, most of the time I have, mostly because we are going on the Indian market also. But still, when in the crude oil and gold, and especially these silver and all these points, when I don't have any trade entries to go, what I do is I just keep these kinds of levels. I keep on updating the levels based on the past price action, how it is going on, and just put an alert on where that price I need to, I want to see the breakout. I just wait for the alert to pop up, and then I go
Yeah.
for the trade and just read lots and lots of books. I just
Yeah.
love to read, so I just
So
do
you
that.
walk away and then you come back and check every once in a while, or do you use like an alarm if any of your areas are being
I just
elected?
put an alert. That's it. I just put an
Okay.
alert because most of the time most of the targets and most of the levels are for a longer time period.
Okay.
So
All right. Cool.
I don't go
So
do.
what did you do before you had a baby?
I used to make charts. That's
Okay.
it.
You stayed with it.
I
Okay.
just used to make charts,
All right.
Indian stock charts, and then crude charts,
Okay.
palladium, copper, silver. I just used to
Yeah.
make charts. I just love making charts. So I just keep
Okay.
on doing that.
Yeah. All right. I
So
understand the obsession. And so were we going to look at,
I
the
have
rupee,
something
huh?
on USD INR.
Okay.
Rupee. Here, if there's a support going on right now. While I was making the chart, it was just going up, but then I saw somewhat, no, it's given the rejection back at the place here.
Yeah.
One thing which I would love to share this, if there's a very long candle here just like this, then near about the midpoint of the candle always acts as your support and a resistance point, just like
Midpoint.
in this case. So it has
Okay.
given rejection here. Again, it
Yeah.
has started giving the rejection here. So I was just thinking this is going to test this line again and then going back again to check 75. That's what I feel. So my first target would be, I will be waiting for the trade for USD here once it rejects this point
Yes.
of 74.7. Now, if it
Yeah.
rejects, very good, it gives me a proper rejection candle here. I'll just go for 75 long position here. So this is what
Okay.
I have in USD INR right now, and ultimately I feel that it might be going back to 75 because as we are also checking that DXY might be going up back again here if
Right.
it rejects this price. Okay, it started. It has just broken this 9093 high. Oh,
Okay.
interesting. Yeah. See, it started falling.
So
So
now we're
I
probably headed towards your lower dot at 640 or even 640 looks like it's coming.
96. This price
Yeah,
96.37 around this point. 96, 96
that's
max to max 96.
okay.
So
All right.
that's what
So
DXY is
there's
doing
some
right
live
now.
action. Okay.
Yeah. Luckily, there is something.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Silver.
So silver, I am not doing silver since a long time because of see so many of VIX and so many of noise going on right now. Mostly
That's
I'm
right.
doing gold, but still silver. I was looking for a trade of silver if it breaks my immediate support of 18, 17.9 to 18 range, this range.
Hmm.
If it
Hmm.
breaks, then I would go for a short till a very short scalp of 17.8. That's
Okay.
that's my that's my lookout on silver right now. But as it's going up, so it's not in my trading zone at all. So
Okay.
this is what silver is. I'll just check for the daily range. No, daily. It's not. There's nothing on silver right now because I'm looking for some downside action here. I'm not looking for any higher highs right now. At my book because it has been rejecting this last month's June high thrice. It has rejected. So I'm looking for some downside levels to go at least like 17 by this week, the weekend, or maybe like in coming 4 to 5 days. So that's what I'm looking for right now. And so I'm just waiting for a break of this immediate support here, and then we'll be shorting the silver till a very few points back. So this is silver,
Okay.
and
How
lastly I
about new
have
high in
gold.
gold and a lower high in silver? That'd be a pretty good tell, wouldn't it? Like
Sorry,
for
I missed
example.
you. I missed you,
Okay.
Dale. Yeah.
Higher high in gold and a lower
Yes.
high in silver.
Yes.
So gold hasn't made a new high yet, but if it could make a new high without silver, you have numbers at what's that? The 2012 high?
Yes.
What?
Gold is
1900?
still.
Oh,
Gold is still. I am still waiting that it will touch
me too.
1793
Okay,
to
that's your number. Okay.
1796.
Yeah.
That's my number right now. Last time, I don't know if I have shared this or not, that I was looking for a very long term view on silver because that silver is going in, sorry, gold is going in a very harmonic way right now. This rally, then this pullback, and this everything is going in a very harmonic move right now. So I got this move here around 1st of July something here,
Yeah.
and till and at that point I wrote a blog also regarding that I am looking for 1700 plus to 1800 in silver in gold.
Yeah.
So right now it's going there. It um, it's 2012 high, which is the thing which I'm looking for gold in coming time. Let's see.
Okay.
Not in a trade right now, but as it is it's breaking my resistance. So as soon as it retest it or give me some signal on Bhumi, I'll just go for a buy here. And at least for
Okay.
this June high of 1786 is my first target,
Yeah.
and back
Then
to
90.
1793 and 96 as the
Yeah.
second target, third target.
Okay. So that'll be interesting if gold does that and silver doesn't take out last week's high.
Yes,
That's
and
what I'll be looking.
the very insane thing is that if this harmonic move completes, if this entire move completes, then it is what 1800, and then 1897 is the next target. 1900, around 1900 is the next target. So it is very crazy to say right now, but we never know what is going on, as we never know what will happen in the market next time.
Okay.
I
So you're long-term bullish, and if we had to break back down towards 1700 or a little bit under, you'd buy it.
For
But
for a
that's
bearish, yeah, for a bearish point of view, I'll wait for this support to break. That is 1772 to 71.
yeah.
This I will wait for this one, and even after that, my second support range was also between 67 to 65. So once it this range is broken, then I have a entire bearish view on gold that it will be going back again to 1745, 46, and around 1740. So right now,
How about 1400?
1400. That's a very big number. No, I don't think so. 1400,
Yeah.
but this
Okay.
2013 high 1697 is something which we can see for a longer term. 1697,
Yeah.
1698, around this price.
Uh-huh.
Uh, After
Okay.
that, after that again have to go and just update my chart. But right now, 2013 high is the lowest point which I'm looking right now, because it's a very
Okay.
strong support. It has tested many times. This range has been tested many times. So
Okay.
for a longer term period, this 1697 to 98 is the price which I have been looking for. But going back again, right now I'm bullish. It might test at least 1786. At least this
Yeah.
much I am looking for in just coming few days, or at least by the end of this week. So this
Right.
is the thing
That
on
would be
gold
the
right
third
now.
drive, or eliticians would call it, and
Yes,
ending
yes,
diagonal. Yeah.
yes,
All right. We have everything, Case Raksha.
yes.
So how do people follow you?
Okay. You can follow me on Twitter. With my name here there is. I don't think so. I have put there.
Oh,
Okay.
look, you're going to be on Face
This
today.
is my this RAKZ underscore 27. This is my Twitter
Okay.
handle, and if you want to see our website about Bhumi, and it's
Yeah.
going very
Yeah.
good right now. This is our website,
Oh my gosh.
niftyanalysis.in. So this is what our
You,
website looks like, and
you
we're
guys
actually
are,
working.
you guys all, you don't sit around in the office in your spacesuit, do you? Like that guy?
We don't sit
Huh?
like that, but we have an invisible this thing on us always all the time. Just doing the
Yeah.
calculations like a
All
mad
right.
scientist. We have a team of three:
Oh,
me, my
I
husband
know.
Karthik, and
Yeah.
we
Is
have one
that
more.
Boomy? I think that's Boomy. Personal. There he is. Boomy. All right.
Yeah, we are going to make him Bhumi now. This is
All right.
Bhumi. This
All
is
right.
how Bhumi looks like. The buy sell labels and all. So you have all the
Yeah.
videos on the YouTube channel and everything. This is what Bhumi is. So this is our website, and that's my Twitter handle, Raksha. And I don't have anything right now with me. If you have anything, please let me know.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Well, I recommend you guys follow Raksha, and her and her team put out some excellent content. And as you could tell, she has discipline and a good eye. And um, I hope that you have a great summer trading season. You're becoming somewhat of a regular. I think you're scheduled to come back in another
I
month.
always say that's my second home.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Yeah.
rooting for you, Raksha. And thank you for sharing your views and your insights on areas, instead of being too anal about a pivot point. And I want
Yes.
to appreciate you coming on and sharing your stuff with us today.
And thank you, Dale, for inviting me here and just bearing me again and again here on your web.
Uh,
Thanks.
Good luck, and thanks for sharing a few of
Thanks,
your
Dale.
views.
Just take care. Be safe.
Okay, everyone, that's Raksha. And that's going to be a wrap for Turnaround Tuesday. Hope everyone has a great day. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Raksha, someone just joined your channel, your telechannel, and that's a wrap. We'll see everyone tomorrow. Good hunting.
Thanks.
Adios.
Thanks.
Adios.
Adios.